Threads app update, allowing users to view video in landscape. Threads app received another major update, letting users view landscape videos in the mobile app. The company confirmed this news after some users noticed the change. Previously, when viewing videos in the Threads app, full screen mode wouldn't accommodate horizontal videos, letting users watch in portrait mode only. However, the latest update to the Threads app has changed this, allowing users to view videos and even see photos in the landscape. Meta began rolling out the option to allow all users to create custom feeds and threads. At the same time, Instagram CEO Adam Mosseri confirmed that the company will be changing its algorithms to prioritize content from accounts you follow. Moreover, Mosseri announced that the Threads app will allow users to search for posts within a specific date range soon. Recently, Meta revealed that it will start displaying ads to users on Threads from 2025 onwards. The move is a result of the platform's significant growth since it was launched. Threads now has over 200 million monthly active users. Notably, if you're thinking of using the app, then note that the Threads app is available for free on the App Store and requires an iPhone running iOS 15.1 or later, while ensuring that you have the latest version of Threads app in order to receive access to the new feature.